we have a challenge. So what all you need to do is you need to like, subscribe, and you'll maybe win a cinnamon booster. So make sure you do that, and then you'll win it. So yeah, let's just get on with the video anyway. Let me just get the thing I want to show you.
Are you coming to filter with me to deliver days?
Huh? Which filter? Where are you going?
He's going to deliver to filter. Oh, you don't have to, but
I'll come. Right, okay. I have amazing monkey tail. Sorry about that conversation with my mum. So here's my amazing monkey tail. I'm showing my the people my monkey tail. It's a little swirly tail. Look how cool. Hiya, buddy. Let's go. Right, see you guys. Hope you liked this video and subscribe, because remember what I said. Go back to the video if you forgot, but yeah, let's do this. Bye.